Room 33. Long mirrors. I know, I do, I know I need to. A little desk with tea and coffee and hot chocolate. There was a chair here, but I moved it to sit next to my mum while we had some coffee. This is a twin room. And another wee table here. We've just finished some coffee, haven't we, Mum?
Yes, a nice cappuccino.
And you've got a wardrobe with our jackets. And, oh, a fridge. Oh, there's a fridge. With 2 bottles of water in it. And it is on. Oh, that's good. There is also an iron, so you know, I know how you like to iron.
Because my top fell in the car.
And then a safe, which you probably set your own code for. It looks a decent size. And a spare pillow. And then a phone. And there is a plug point under that bed. 2 plug points under that bed. And a plug, 2 plugs under that bed. Important for the gadgets, you know. Oh yes. And then there's a cushion in here. And the ottoman, which you could also sit on. And then some storage. Lots of storage. Not that we really need that for one night. Yeah, there. Oh, I can't shut that. I'll try and shut that. It just won't shut. Is there a hairdryer? Yes, there's a hairdryer. Oh, good. It's just because I've got one hand and I'm trying to be steady. There is a hairdryer that looks like quite a powerful hairdryer.
Tissues?
Oh yes, some tissues. Kettle. Oh yes, and look, you get hot chocolate as well as tea, coffee, no tea, and some shortbread, which we actually got given with our coffee as well. And then we have the bathroom, where we have a lovely sink and shower cap and everything. Some toilet rolls, and then a bath. Oh, that looks like a good shower. Yes, very nice. So we're just here for one night, which is why we don't really need the drawers. Although will you unpack, Mum?
No.
To an extent. Well, let's test the comfort of the bed. That's important. I always find this it's comfy. Oh, it's very comfy. Yeah, that is. Oh yes, yes, I'm impressed. That's the most important thing. The most important thing in this hotel room is the comfort of the bed. And when you watch these videos, how many people cover the comfort of the bed? Not many. Some pictures. Actually, is that a picture of Marhall?
I think it is Marhall, and I think that's the Erskine Bridge.
Oh yes, that is what that is. And in case you don't know, Marhall is very close to the Erskine Bridge. So we got one each. in the room. We just had a nice evening. Sitting listening to some piano music then. He played some Disney. We had a lovely meal. I had a burger and some chunky chips. And I had patty to start with, which was really, really lovely. Far too much though, couldn't finish it all. Mum had prawn cocktail to start, and then she had a burger and chunky chips as well.
Without the bun.
Yeah, but you still couldn't finish it. No. But it was a very nice evening. Sitting listening to Piano Man and his Disney requests.
It was nice, it was good. Very nice to listen as well.
Yeah. So we're now back in the room in their baby bags, wearing our robes, and we had this on the pillow. We never thought we would get that. We didn't think they would come into the room and leave us a chocolate because of COVID and all that.
Come down the bed.
But they did. They turned down the beds and left us some sweeties. And so we are just going to go to bed now. Baby, night! That's the view out the room. Are you hungry, Mum?
No.
Why not?
I've had far too much breakfast.
Morning! Very comfortable bed.
Yes.
Slept very well. And we've just come back from breakfast where I hardly had anything, just a couple of bits of toast. Actually, I didn't have any toast. It's loading.
What's still coming up?
Had sausages, tacky scones, mushrooms. I had a donut, a cinnamon swirl, a chocolate muffin, another chocolate, oh no, a chocolate chip muffin, tiny muffins, and I think that was all. Oh yeah, coffee. There was loads to choose from, loads and loads to choose from. It was a very nice breakfast. Mum had porridge, freshly made porridge, fried egg, bacon, tatty scones, a wee tomato, toast, and then
Tiny croissant.
a huge croissant.
No, it wasn't. It was a wee mini.